Is ChatGPT suitable for beginners in affiliate marketing? Absolutely. ChatGPT is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to beginners. Its intuitive interface and conversational capabilities make it a valuable tool for those starting their affiliate marketing journey. ChatGPT is a fantastic resource for beginners in the field of affiliate marketing. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of online entrepreneurship or looking to expand your marketing strategies, ChatGPT is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it an ideal choice for newcomers. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its intuitive interface. The developers have put great effort into ensuring that the platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Even if you have limited technical expertise, you'll find yourself comfortably engaging with the model in no time. The user interface is designed to be straightforward and accessible, allowing beginners to quickly grasp its functionality and leverage its capabilities. What truly sets ChatGPT apart is its remarkable conversational capabilities. Unlike other AI models that may feel robotic or detached, ChatGPT engages users in a manner that feels remarkably human-like. It understands context, infers meaning, and generates responses that flow naturally, creating an interactive and engaging experience. As a beginner in affiliate marketing, having an AI-powered tool like ChatGPT by your side can be immensely beneficial. It's like having a knowledgeable mentor guiding you through the intricacies of the industry. You can ask questions, seek guidance, and receive valuable insights that will help shape your marketing strategies. Imagine brainstorming ideas for your niche or discussing potential target audiences with ChatGPT. The model can provide you with suggestions, validate your concepts, and even offer fresh perspectives that you might not have considered. It's like having a brainstorming partner available at your convenience, ready to help you unlock your creative potential. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist you in content creation, which is a crucial aspect of affiliate marketing success. You can seek advice on crafting compelling articles, blog posts, or social media content that resonates with your audience. By leveraging ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, you'll receive suggestions for optimizing your content to improve search engine rankings and attract more visitors to your affiliate marketing website. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can be a valuable ally when it comes to personalized customer engagement. Building strong relationships with your audience is key, and ChatGPT can help you achieve that. By integrating ChatGPT into your chatbots or customer support systems, you can provide instant and personalized responses to inquiries, offer tailored recommendations, and address customer concerns promptly. This level of personalized interaction can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and, ultimately, boost your conversion rates. Moreover, data analysis plays a vital role in optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can assist you in interpreting complex datasets and making informed decisions. By inputting data into the model, you can gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, identify patterns, and uncover hidden opportunities. Armed with this knowledge, you can refine your strategies, target the right audience segments, and allocate your resources effectively. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for beginners in affiliate marketing. Its user-friendly interface, conversational capabilities, and AI-powered insights make it an invaluable resource. With ChatGPT as your virtual companion, you'll have the guidance and support needed to navigate the intricacies of the affiliate marketing landscape. So, embrace the power of AI, leverage ChatGPT's capabilities, and embark on your affiliate marketing journey with confidence. Click the link in the description to begin using an affiliate marketing program that uses ChatGPT to save time and improve marketing production. Thanks for watching.